What's good, YouTube? Today we are going to learn how to play Priorities by Tyla. There's a cool guitar part, or riff, if you will, that plays throughout the entire song. And this is a preview of what it's going to sound like. Alright, so as you can see, I have my capo here on the 6th fret. Everything is relative to the capo. Really what we're doing is we're leveraging two chords, and it's the E-7 chord and the A-7 chord, okay? And we're really only plucking the strings individually, only utilizing the 4 middle strings. So the A, D, G, and B string. And then we're gonna add some hammer-on and offs and some embellishments in there. And this is how you play the chords. Alright guys, so the first chord is the E-7, so we're putting our finger on the 2nd fret of the A string. It's going to sound like this. And the second chord you need to know is the A-7, so it's the 1st fret B string, 2nd fret D string. It's going to sound like this. Alright, and so as I stated earlier, we're only gonna pluck the 4 middle strings individually. Okay, so this is what the plucking pattern is gonna sound like. We're gonna pluck the A, D, G, and then we're gonna hammer on and off of the B of the 1st fret. Then we're gonna hit the G, D, A. So again, A, D, G, hammer on, G, D, A. Okay, then we're going to go to the A-7 chord, and we're going to pluck A, D, G, B. Simple. Alright. And then we're going to go back to the E-7 chord, and we're going to pluck it exactly like how I just taught you. Then we're going to go back to the A-7 chord, and we're going to hit the A, D, G, and when we hit the B string, we're going to slide up from the 1st to the 3rd fret. So it'll sound like that. Okay, so again, at the A-7 chord. Okay, and so again, when you piece it all together, and you're just going to repeat that for the entire song, and that is how you play the song. Alright y'all, that is it for this video. Hopefully it added value to you and it helped you out in some sort of way. If it did, please go ahead and comment down below. Like this video, share it with somebody that wants to learn this song. Also, please consider subscribing if you want more tutorials like this. And right now there are going to be some videos that are going to pop up on your screen. Please feel free to check out some of these other videos that I have, and I will see you guys on the next one.